Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Grok AI Spicy Mode not activating. So first thing you need to do is open Grok AI, then make sure that you are logged into your account. This is necessary so you can activate Spicy Mode in Grok AI. After that, go here on the bottom left corner and click on your profile icon, then go to settings. After that, go here to the birth year and make sure to select your age because they need to verify that you are adult. Now, after confirming your birth year, go back and write activate spicy mode. Then enter. And as you can see, spicy mode is activated. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.